Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can still qualify for the JTO or Jito token. So if you thought that had run away from you, no guys, this is a new way to qualify for a new airdrop. And the most exciting part of this video is going to be that I'm going to show you how to qualify for 2 different airdrops with one single action. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I hope this video is going to bring you a lot of money through airdrops. So please do like the video because I'm sure you are liking this information so far. And in a moment, I'm going to show you in my browser a step-by-step guide, which is really easy on how to earn this both airdrops, so qualify for them. And also do subscribe to Startup Central because, as you know, if you've been following us, we've been on the air for quite a while now, a number of years, and we try to bring you all the most interesting alpha on how to make money in the crypto space and in finance in general. So I'm going to show you my browser now so you can see what the announcement is. The announcement was not very recent, but the fact that you can now participate in this was published today. So I'm going to show you the browser, and this is the announcement. The protocol that is announcing this is Kamino Finance. So you might remember we published a video on how to participate for their airdrop, and you will find that over there. But this is another new way to participate not only in their airdrop, but also in Jito's. So they announced a liquidity program. So all tokens need liquidity, means money behind that token. Otherwise, it's just an empty shell. So Kamino is trying to bring money to GTO so the price can increase and for the general finance needs, including DeFi. So what they're announcing is that they are collaborating with JitoSol to enable depositors to earn up to 600,000 JTO by locking their liquidity into a JitoSol JTO liquidity vault for over 30 days. So this means that you need to leave your liquidity for 30 days, which isn't a long time, guys, because as you know, the Bitcoin halving, which will push every token to the upside, still a long ways ahead. Is going to be happening in April. So if you lock your liquidity for 30 days, you're still going to be in February. So maybe by the time you unlock, you're going to be seeing already an increase in the price of your tokens. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the announcement. Now I'm going to show you how to participate. So someone was asking me in the comment section, he didn't see the points in the protocol when they logged to Kamino. So on December 7th, so that's a few days ago, they said the Kamino points are coming. So I'll show you the screen. And before we head to the Kamino points part, I'm going to show you this announcement also on their website. I mean, this is as new as 1 hour ago. It was not here. I actually did some investments through through Kamino Finance a few hours ago, and this announcement was not here, but it is now. So all you have to do is go to JitoSol Vault. So just click here, and it takes you immediately to the vault. And then over here, you have to connect your wallet. But, as you know, Phantom Wallet usually connects itself automatically, and you will be able to provide liquidity. So you can use a number of tokens started with Sol and JitoSol. If not, you're going to be needing to trade, if you have USDC, into one of these 2 tokens. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to provide some liquidity. There's a number of things that are really exciting about this, guys. The first is that the APY is 63%. So on whatever money you allow to stake in here, you're going to be earning an APY, and it's a decent APY considering that these days DeFi is somewhere between 3 and 15%. So this is a lot. Plus, maybe, guys, by the time you unstake, the price of your tokens has already gone up because, as you know, guys, we are in a bull market. So the closer we get to the halving, and a little bit after the halving, the prices of most tokens, especially the ones that we are talking about here, are going to be going up because they are in demand. So you get that, you get the APY, you get the increase in token value, plus you get 2 airdrops. Isn't that amazing, guys? Just one action, that's all you need to do. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna deposit 3 Sol to turn them into liquidity. So you don't need, like in other dApps, you need to have 2 different coins. So you need to do some trading beforehand. With Kamino, it does it for you automatically. So you have to select either Sol or Jito Sol, whatever you want to start with, and then just click deposit and stake. That's it, guys. It's gonna be opening my wallet and asking me for permission to do the deposit. And once you do that, as you see, it's confirming 1 transaction. So I'm gonna enter my password, and it's now waiting. So it's been confirmed. What I noticed is that it doesn't immediately update the money you have logged. So you might need to refresh the browser in order to get that information. So we have done this. And yeah, I guess a lot of people are doing this because the protocol is a little bit slow this moment. So it will show you what you have staked. And so let's see my position. So if you go all the way down, you will see that my 3 Sol have been split into 1.7 Sol and 1.20 Jito Sol. So again, guys, with this kind of liquidity pools, you could have impermanent loss. But since these 2 tokens are really pegged to each other, not 100%, but let's say 90-95%, the impermanent loss is minimum, especially when you consider the APYs that you're getting, and most than anything else, the possibility of getting 2 airdrops. So now we know how many Jito Sol are going to be distributed to Kamino users. So that's going to be 600,000. That's a lot, guys. I think each Jito is worth around a little bit over $70 right now. So that's a lot of money, guys. So I'm going to be living here. So today is the 15th of December. So by mid-January, I will be able to unstake and get whatever tokens that they will provide. Now, again, going back to the points part, if you see up here, there are no points yet. They have been announced. And this also will qualify you to Kamino's airdrop. So if you remember in the last video, we did some lending. We didn't borrow, but you could do that. We provided liquidity, and now we're providing liquidity, which is one of the best things, because again, guys, you will be getting, this is already a fact, you will be getting JTO tokens by doing this. Now, I would guess the more you provide, the more, or at least to a degree, you get more JTO tokens. So you need to make sure that you are providing enough. You know your numbers, guys, so I'm not gonna tell you how many you want or need to deposit. But again, the more you do, the more you get. Again, if you want to qualify for a number of airdrops, you need to make your Sol count. So make sure you leave enough for the other airdrops of Solana. So I hope this video, guys, was useful to you. If it was, let's see, here we go. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be talking about how to qualify for a lot of airdrops. There's a lot more coming. We're going to be discussing airdrops in other blockchains as well. And we're going to be finding those amazing crypto gems, discussing price predictions, and a lot more. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.